God, I'll never do this again in my life. This is insane. Ah! Oh!
I peed loose.
It's worse than the vasectomy. Oh my God! You guys like this? You guys do. Oh.
This is the last one. Last one.
Then we'll just stick to haircuts.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, I gotta go home and rest after that.
Oh, the middle's the one. This one feels good. This one doesn't hurt. Oh God, but you got a jungle going on in there.
Ah!
You're done.
It's like surgery.
You're done.
Oh my God.
You're all done.
Oh. Oh. Oh no.
Whoa. What?